हेलो गाइज, आप लोग कैसे हो। मैं अजीत प्रताप यादव आप लोगों के लिए नई वीडियो लेके आ गया। आज इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करूंगा क्लास 9 का चैप्टर 6, उसके 100 क्वेश्चन और आंसर के माध्यम से इस चैप्टर को आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। तो गाइज, ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। जय हिंद, जय भारत। What is tissue? A group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to perform a particular function is called tissue. Question number 9. First, what is tissue? A group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to perform a particular function is called tissue. Question number 2. Who coined the term tissue? Xavier Bichat is coined the term tissue. Question number 3. What is histology? The branch of biology that deals with the study of tissue is called histology. Question number 3. What is the histology? The branch of biology that deals with the study of tissue is called histology. What is histology? Question number 3. What is histology? The branch of biology that deals with the study of tissue is called histology. Question number 4. Why are tissue necessary in multicellular organism? In multicellular organism, there is a division of labor. Different tissue specialize the performing different function efficiently, which is not possible with single cells. Question number 4. Why are tissue necessary to in multicellular organism? In multicellular organism, there is a division of labor. Different tissue specialize in performing different function efficiently, which is not possible with the single cells. Question number 5. What is the primary difference between unicellular and multicellular organism in terms of function? In unicellular organism, a single cell carries out all life function. In multicellular organism, cell group together to form tissue for specialized functions. Question number now you we will move to part 2. We'll discuss plant tissue related question. So now let's start. Question number C. What are the two main types of plant tissue? Meristematic meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Tissue are two types: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. What are the two main types of plant tissue? Plant tissues are mainly two types: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Question number 7. Why do plants need different type of tissue? Answer: plants are stationary and need structural strength to stand upright and tissue to transport material over long distance. Question number 7. Why do plants need different types of tissue? Plants are stationary and need structural strength to stand upright and tissue to transport material over long distance. Question number 8. What is the meristematic tissue? Answer is that it is a group of young immature cells that have the capacity to continuous cell division, leading to plant growth. Question number 8. What is meristematic tissue? It is a group of young mature cells that have the capacity to continuous cell division, leading to plant growth. What is meristematic tissue? It is a group of young immature cells that have the capacity to continuous cell division and leading to plant growth. Question number 9. What are the characteristics of meristematic tissue? They have thin cell wall, dense cytoplasm, prominent nuclei, and lack of vacuoles. Question number 10. What is the apical meristem found? Question number 10. Where is that apical meristem found? At the growing tips of the stem and roots. Question number 11. What is the function of the apical meristem? Answer is that it is responsible for the primary growth, increase the length of the plant. Question number 11. What is the function of apical meristem? It is responsible for the primary growth, increase in the length of the plant. Question number 12. Where is the lateral meristem found? Answer is that in the cylindrical region of stem and roots. Example: core cambium, vascular cambium. Question number 13. What is the function of the lateral meristem? Answer is that it is responsible for the secondary growth, increase in girth of diameter of the plant. Question number 14. Where is the intercalary meristem found? Answer is that at the base of the leaves of internodes, example in the gases. Question number 15. What is the function of intercalary meristem? Answer is it's allowed for the growth of the leaves and internodes. Question number 16. What happened to the cells produced by meristematic tissue? They lose the ability to divide and mature to form permanent tissue. Question number 16. What happened to the cells produced by the meristematic tissue? They lose the ability to divide and mature to form permanent tissue. Question number 17. What is the permanent tissue? Tissue formed from the meristematic tissue that have lost the power of division and have attained a definite form of function. Question number 18. How the permanent tissue is formed? Answer is by the process of differentiation where the meristematic cell develop into a specific type of cell. Question number 19. What are the three types of permanent tissue? Answer is the simple permanent tissue, complex permanent tissue, and special tissue. Question number 20. Now we move to part third, simple permanent tissue. Now we'll discuss question number 20. What is the simple permanent tissue? It is made up of only one type of cell, all performing the same function. Question number 20. Part 3, simple permanent tissue. What is the simple permanent tissue? Answer, it is made up of only one type of cell, all performing the same function. Question number 20. Name the three types of simple permanent tissue. Answer is parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Question number 21. Name the three types of simple permanent tissue. Parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Question number 22. Describe the structure of parenchyma tissue. Answer is cell are living, thin-walled, loosely packed, and usually have large intercellular space. Question number 23. What is the function of parenchyma? Answer storage of food, water, and air. Photosynthesis. If chloroplasts are present, it is called chlorenchyma and wound healing. Question number 20. What is the function of parenchyma? Storage of food, water, and air. Photosynthesis. If chloroplasts are present, it is called chlorenchyma and wound healing. Question number 24. What is the chlorenchyma? Parenchyma cell that contain chlorophyll and perform photosynthesis is called chlorenchyma. Question number 24. What is chlorenchyma? Parenchyma cell that contain chlorophyll and perform photosynthesis is called chlorenchyma. Question number 24. What is the parenchyma? Parenchyma tissue with large air cavity that provide buoyancy to aquatic plant is called parenchyma. Question number 25. What is the parenchyma? Parenchyma tissue with large air cavity that provide buoyancy to aquatic plant. Question number 26. Describe the structure of chlorenchyma tissue. Cell are living, elongated, have irregularly thickened corner at the cell's wall due to the cellulose and pectin and provide mechanical supports. Question number 27. Where is chlorenchyma found? Answer below the epidermis in leaves, stalk, and stems. Question number 20. What is the main function of chlorenchyma? Answer is to provide mechanical supports and flexibility to growing parts of the plant. Question number 29. Describe the structure of sclerenchyma tissue. Answer is the cell are dead, long, narrow, thick walled due to the lignin position and have no intercellular space. Question number 30. What is the function of sclerenchyma? Answer to provide rigid mechanical support and strength to the plant part. Question number 13. What are the scleroids? Answer a type of sclerenchyma cell that is short, irregularly shaped and provides gritty texture to fruits like pear and guava. Question number 30. What are fibers? Answer a type of sclerenchyma cell that is long, narrow, or pointed, used for support. Example jute and hemp. Question number 33. What is the economic importance of sclerenchyma? Answer they are used to make ropes, mats, and cut, curtain textiles and certain textiles. Now move to part 4, complex permanent tissue. What is complex permanent tissue? It is made up of more than one types of cell, all coordinating to perform a common function. Question number 30. What is a complex permanent tissue? It is made up of more than one types of cell, all coordinating to perform a common function. Question number 35. What is another name of complex tissue? Vascular tissue. Question number 36. Name the two types of complex tissue, xylem and phloem. Question number 37. What is the function of xylem? Answer: to conduct water and mineral from root to the upper part of the plant. It also provides mechanical strength. Question number 30. What are the four elements of xylem? Tracheids, vessel, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Question number 39. Which xylem element are living and which are dead? Xylem parenchyma is living, tracheids, vessels, and xylem fiber are dead. Question number 40. What is vessels? They are long tubular structure made up of dead cells, arranged end to end with perforated wall of the water conduction. Question number 41. What are tracheids? They are elongated dead cell with tapered end and pits for water conduction. Question number 42. What is the function of phloem? To transport food, primarily sucrose from leaves of other part of the plant. Translocation. Question number 43. What is the four element of phloem? Answer: seed tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers. Question number 44. Which phloem element are living and which are dead? Seed tube, companion cell, and phloem parenchyma are living. Phloem fiber, bast fiber are dead. Question number 40. What are the sieve tube? They are elongated living cells that perforate and end walls called sieve tube through which food is transported. Question number 46. Why do sieve tube element need companion cell? The companion cell help in regulating the metabolic activity of the inequiliated sieve tube element. Question number 47. What is the role of phloem parenchyma? It helps in storage of food and lateral conduction of chaff. Now move to part 5, protecting tissue and plant related question. Question number 48. What is the epidermis? The outermost layer of cell covering the entire plant body is called epidermis. Question number 48. What is the epidermis? The outermost layer of cell covering the entire plant body is called epidermis. Question number 48. What is the epidermis? The outermost layer of cell covering the entire plant body. Question number 49. What is the function of epidermis? Answer: it protects the inner tissue and reduce water loss. Question number 50. What is the cuticles? A waxy waterproof layer is created by the epidermis dermal cell on the aerial part of the prevent water loss. Question number 50. What are stomata? Answer: small pore present on the surface of leaf bounded by guard cell that allow for gas exchange and transpiration. What are stomata? Small pores present on the surface of leaf bounded by guard cell that allow for gas exchange and transpiration. Question of what is the role of guard cell? They regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Question number 15. What is the cork? The protective secondary meristematic tissue that replaces the epidermis in ordered stem and roots. Question number 54. What is the commercial source of war? The bark of the cork oak tree, Quaker Suber. Question number 50. What is the cork cell? Dead cell with no intercellular space whose walls are coated with suberin, making them impermeable to water and gases. Question number 50 is: why is cork used for making bottle stopper? Because it is the lightweight, compressible, and impermeable to water and gases. Now let's move to part 6, animal tissue related question. Now question number 57. What are the four main types of animal tissue? What are the four main types of animal tissue? Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. What are the four main types of animal tissue? Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Now move to part 7, epithelial tissue related question. Question number 58. What is epithelial tissue? A protective covering tissue that forms the outer lining of the body and organs and lines and the cavities. What is the epithelial tissue? A protective covering tissue that forms the outer lining of the body and organ and lines the cavities. Now question number 59. What is the epithelial tissue found? Where is the epithelial tissue found? Answer is the skin lining of mouth, lining of blood vessels, lungs, alveoli. Question number 59. Where is epithelial tissue found? Skin lining of mouth, lining of blood vessels, lungs, alveoli. Question number 60. What are the function of epithelial tissue? Answer is protection, secretion, absorption, excretion, and sensory inspection. Question number 61. How are epithelial tissue classified based on the shape and arrangement of cell? Question number 62. Name of the different type of simple epithelial single layer. Squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, columnar, and glandular tissue. Question number 63. Describe simple squamous epithelial. Answer: a single layer of thin, flat, scale-like cell found in blood vessels, endothelium, air sac, or lungs alveoli, allow for diffusion. Question number 16. Where is cuboidal epithelial found? In kidney, tubule, salivary gland, and thyroid gland. It provides mechanical support and involved in secretion. Question number 64. Where is the cuboidal epithelial found? In kidney, tubule, salivary gland, and thyroid gland. It provides mechanical support and involved in secretion. Question number 65. What is the function of columnar epithelium? Absorption and secretion found in lining of the intestine. Question number 66. What are cilia? Answer: hair-like projection on the surface of some epithelial cell is called cilia. Question number 67. What is the function of ciliated columnar epithelium? Answer: to move particle or mucus in specific direction found in respiratory tract and fallopian tube. Question number 16. What is the glandular epithelium? Epithelial cells that are modified to form glands with secrete substance. Question number 16. Differentiate between exocrine and endocrine gland. Exocrine gland have duct, example sweat gland, while endocrine gland are ductless and release hormones directly into the blood. Example pituitary gland. Question number 20. What is the stratified squamous epithelium? Answer: multiple layer of cell with the outermost layer being flat. It provides protection against wear and tear found in skin and esophagus. Question number. Now we move to part 8, connective tissue. Question number 71. What is the connective tissue? Tissue that connects, supports, or separate other tissue or organ is called connective tissue. Question number 72. What are the general function of the connective tissue? Binding, support, protection, insulation, and transportation. Now move to question number 73. What are the three main components of connective tissue? Cell fiber, collagen, elastin, reticulum, and ground substance matrix. Question number 74. Name the different types of connective tissue. Answer is areolar, adipose, dense, regular, dense, irregular skeletal bones, and cartilage, fluid, blood, and lymph. Question number 75. What is the areolar tissue? It is the most widely distributed connective tissue found between skin and muscles around a blood vessel. It fills space inside organs and help in repair. Question number 76. What are the function of areolar tissue? Answer is it support internal organ, help in tissue repair, and fight infection. Question number 77. What is adipose tissue? Answer is tissue that restore fat in the form of droplet inside the cell, adipocytes. Question number 78. What is the function of adipose tissue? Answer: it acts as storage depot for fats, provide insulation, and act as a cushion. Question number 77. What is adipose tissue? Tissue that store fat in the form of droplet inside the cell, adipocytes. Question number 78. What is the function of adipose tissue? It acts as storage, adopt for fats, provide insulation, and act as a cushion. Question number 79. What are tendons? Dense regular connection tissue, connective tissue that connect muscles to bones. They are very strong and have limited flexibility. Question number 80. What are the ligaments? Dense regular connective tissue that connect bones to bones at joints. They are elastic and contain lots of elastin fibers. Question number 80. What are the ligament? Dense regular connective tissue that connect bones to bone at joint. They are elastic and contain lot of elastin fibers. Question number 81. Differentiate between tendon and ligament. Answer: tendon connect muscles to bones and are non-elastic. Ligament connect bone to bone and are elastic. Question number 82. What is bone? A hard, non-malleable connective tissue that form the skeleton is called bones. Question number 82. What is bone? A hard, non-malleable connective tissue that form the skeleton is called bone. Question number 83. What is the matrix of bone made of? Answer: it is rich in calcium, salt and collagen fiber which make it hard and strong. Question number 84. What are osteocytes? The bone cell embedded in the hard matrix is called osteocytes. Question number 84. What are the osteocytes? The bone cell embedded in the hard matrix is called osteocytes. Question number 8. What is the function of bone? It provides structural framework, support, protection, and ensure muscles. Question number 8. What is the function of bones? It provides the structural framework, supports, protection, and ensure muscles. Question number 8. What is the cartilage? A solid but malleable connective tissue is called cartilage. Question number 87. What is the matrix of cartilage made of? Answer: it is composed of protein and sugars and it is called chondrin. Question number 80. What are chondrocytes? The cartilage cell found in the small cavity within the matrix. Question number 89. Where is the cartilage found? Answer is in the nose, ear, trachea, larynx and at the end of the bone joints. Where is cartilage found? In the nose, ear, trachea, larynx and at the end of the bone joint. Question number 9. What is blood? A fluid connective tissue is called blood. Question number 91. What is the matrix of blood called? What is the matrix of blood called? Plasma. Question number 90. What are the found element in the blood? Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Question number 93. What is the function of blood? To transport respiratory gases, nutrient, hormones, and waste product, and to fight infection. What is the function of blood? To transport respiratory gases, nutrients, hormones, and waste products, and to fight infection. Question number 94. What is the lymph? A yellowish fluid that escapes from the blood capillary into intercellular space. It is a part of fluid connective tissue. Question number 95. What is the function of lymph? It carries digested fats, drains excess fluid from tissue back into the blood, and fight infection. Contain lymphocyte. Now move to part 5, muscular tissue. Question number 90. What is the muscular tissue? Tissue composed of cells that are specialized to contract and cause movement. Question number 90. What is the muscular tissue? Tissue composed of cells that are specialized to contract and cause movement. Question number 90. What are muscle cells called? Muscle fiber. Question number 90. Name the three types of muscle tissue: straightened, skeletal, smooth, unstraightened, involuntary, and cardiac muscles. Question number 19. Describe straightened muscle. Cells are long, cylindrical, unbranched, and have light and dark bands. Striation. They are voluntary muscle found attached to the bone. Now question number 100. Describe smooth muscle. Cells are spindle-shaped, unnucleated, and lack of striation. They are involuntary muscle found in the wall of the alimentary canal blood vessel. It's question number 101. Describe cardiac muscle. Cells are cylindrical, branched, unnucleated, and have pent striation. They are involuntary and found only in the heart. They have intercalated disc. So now question number 102. What is the function of intercalated disc in cardiac muscle? They allow the rapid passage of electrical impulse for coordination heart contraction. Now part 10, nerve tissue. What is the nerve tissue? Tissue that make up of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves and is responsible for receiving and transmitting signal is called nerve tissue. Question number 104. What is the nervous tissue? the structure and functional unit of nervous system. Question number, draw the labeled structure of neutron. A diagram so will the dendron, axon, and nerve cell. Question number 106. What is the function of dendrite? To receive nerve impulse from other neuron and carry them toward the cell body. Question number 1. What is the function of axon? To receive the nerve impulse from other neurons and carry out them toward the cell body. Question number 107. What is the function of axon? Answer, to carry nerve impulse away from the cell body to other nerve cells, muscle cells. What is neurology? Supporting cell of nerve system that protect the nourish the neurons is called neurology. Question number 9. What is the nerve impulse? An electrical signal that travel along a neuron is called impulse. I hope this detailed question answer set help you thoroughly prepare your chapter on tissue. Best of luck. So guys, ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करो करें। जय हिंद, जय भारत।